Oh, thank you. Yes, good afternoon. Have you got the Excel sheet, sir? I asked one girl to share the all Excel sheet. In that sheet, please you delete all the marks. Don't delete formula. You delete all the marks. Fill your marks. CO wise, fill your marks, and you please calculate the attainment. Make it fast, because we have from 3 o'clock you have test and validity function. We can't go up to 4:30. So if you have any doubt before 3:15, please ask. All assessments I have given, ma'am. You do theory assessment first. First sheet.
So this sheet is there. Consolidated IA mark sheet is there.
That is not required. You go to that input sheet first, attainment.
Directly there.
Because these marks they don't have. These marks they don't have.
But they should know that how to do.
This is simple, no? CO wise they have to consolidate the marks, that's all. See what first sheet. Yes, no SQL. In this, if you have test marks, no? Oh my God. Sir, you don't have CO wise marks. Please replicate the same marks for all COs. And maximum marks also you replicate the same. 100. If you have CO wise marks, please fill the CO wise marks. Sir? This is the consolidated sheet, sir. This you don't take because you don't have question wise marks, no? That no SQL on sheet is there, no, sir. CO attainment, no SQL.
Here it is displayed, sir.
This one is.
Hello, sir. One, you don't have that sheet. One more. Mini project come up, sir. And this one. First sheet, you take input sheet, sir. If you have marks, you fill up, otherwise you check the formula and process. If you have any doubt, you ask. Sir? You check in the group, sir.
Sir, yesterday's one OB document, something one folder will be there. You click that folder, inside that all Excel sheets will be there.
Now also that girl shared all the sheets.
Yesterday's WhatsApp, you check, some folder is there on folder. NBA materials. That folder will have all the sheets.
CO attainment will not come within a day. Please understand all the formula. It is very easy to do. If you don't have CO wise marks, please replicate the same marks for all COs and maximum marks are same for all COs. After that you will get all the attainment. Sir, what is the doubt?
Pardon?
You have any doubt?
No, we are just discussing, just clearing the doubt. Thank you.
You please understand the process, ma'am. First you go through all the first theory attainment, then
we will make it very simple, sir. This is what yesterday you have done.
no, CO
3, 2, 1, what you have done for your course.
percentage. Percentage.
Head of the
Plus
department
this
and
95.
program advisory committee will set target for your course.
Internal marks will be like all the
3,
CO
2,
plus
1.
same internal marks.
Not
Basis,
same
there is
assignment
a
marks.
Same
This is
assignment.
different.
If your
Test
subject
marks
is
is
difficult
different, ma'am.
subject,
Assignment mark is same for all the
student,
same.
50%
COs.
of the
If we
students
have the
score
different assignment for
just
each
to pass
CO,
mark,
And the different marks will
will
come.
be
then
level
different marks
1.
will come and then we'll do it.
Ah,
If,
yes,
some
yes. Because
percentage of the student
nowadays
score
we are not
more
giving
than
like that, no? So same
pass
assignment
marks,
marks
that
for
is
all
level
COs.
2.
Suppose if
Like
you are
that,
giving CO wise
department will
assignment,
set
that marks will
3,
come.
2, 1
You have changed the
level.
cell.
So that work faculty will not do. Your program advisory committee only will give targets. That is, they will give you they will assign the targets. After
Mahesh.
that, what you have to do?
Mahesh, 10 minutes, give 10 minutes. They are understanding that Excel sheet. After that,
Okay,
finally
okay.
we will.
Okay. They told Pawan sir told he got a question from us before on that. So 3:15 he told you will come back to this question.
You have any doubts, sir? If you are mentioning, then you can say, then you can take low weight. One also we can take. No. We are in NBA SIR. It is there, sir. 80. Yes. If you want to take one also, you can take. 0.9 also we can take. Here also 6 to 8. 60. If you want to take 80, 70 also, you can take.
This one is for CK.
This is for knowledge level, sir. For each CO, what is the knowledge that you have defined?
In Bloom-
that is,
Bloom
you can
taxonomy.
delete it. Yes, Bloom's taxonomy. If you want to delete, you can delete it. That is not.
And this is our final attainment.
This is final direct attainment. Indirect attainment, you have to get the program exit survey. You have to calculate, and 20% that should be considered. This is for 80%. That is for
this.
20% for that.
Again, we have to convert it into.
Yes, finally, yes.
Okay.
So already it is in 3 scale only, but it is only direct attainment. So indirect attainment also we have to be in 3, and the it is
And this line is overall course outcome.
that is average of all course outcomes. That SIR on table is there, sir. Course and attainment. That we have to fill there. This is direct attainment. So after combining the indirect attainment also, we have to take the average. We have to fill there. There are 2 tables are in SIR. There are 2 tables also we have to fill.
Thank you.
Sir, what is your doubt?
How to decide this one?
That's what I'm telling. Course coordinators are there, no, sir, and course so 4-5 people are there. All are expertise in that particular course. So they know. Suppose very fundamental CO means we can fix about 2.5. If very tough means, then we can fix it, sir.
First you
In this number, how many questions we have asked for
This 10 marks is for.
assignment? They converted to 100.
Okay, this number is converted.
To 100. Yeah.
VTU.
VTU marks is end semester. Technically, for Euro University, they are conducting semester end exam, no? That marks.
We have used this formula. They have taken
Previous sheet.
10 marks. They are J10
Jet and assignment marks.
which they have taken.
Yes. This is internal component. Test plus assessment.
Suppose we have 3 components. We will
By
divide
3. Yeah, that also should include it. Plus that suppose you have some quiz like that. That also you can include divided by 3.
And here you have taken
This is for direct assessment. End semester marks are there, no? University marks. Somebody will set the question paper, somebody will evaluate. And also CO is not there. That's why. External exam 0.2.
what is the limit? How can we set this 0.8, 0.2?
We can set our own limits. My justification is like that because somebody is setting question paper, somebody is evaluating. There is no CO-wise divisions also. We will get the as a whole marks. But in but in CO's in internal test and all CO-wise marks, we are evaluating the students properly. That's why we are taking 80%. More weightage to internal, less weightage to external. Yes. Okay, sir.
For this indirect assessment,
Yes.
is there any other way for post indirect assessment?
Within that, what is the service there for course?
But service means the students are going to give the feedback.
That is in scale. They have to give the feedback in terms of 1 to 3 scale, or 100% you can give, and it can
But there is
take it.
possibility they can misjudge or
Here,
give the wrong data.
everything is same,
That you have to tell the students to give properly,
same, but
or you have to manipulate. No other go.
question number and COs will change.
Any other questions?
Now, for example, here, first question will be belonging to what we called
The indirect assessment section, seminar, projects, this will be used for the 20%.
Project seminar, all they are the project they are presenting. So based on rubrics we are evaluating.
So this
Only survey.
same exercise.
Because we are getting
Only
opinion
COs
from the
will
students
get
or somebody else. That is the interact.
COs will
CO
get
is for
changed.
direct one,
Here
and
also
20% will be
you add
Course exit survey.
course exit survey, program exit survey, or employer exit survey.
Yes, only course. The surveys.
here both the internal assignment whatever is there, both the internal assignment whatever is there, everything you are adding and you are keeping it as a single entity. Keeping it as a single entity. Now this exercise is over. Simply recording the mark as per your given marks, CO wise. It is done. Now coming to the sheet, consolidated sheet. Attainment sheet, when you come, this is your subject. This is the maximum marks you have assigned for COs. And now student wise, what is the total summed up? Internal 1, internal 2 you have summed up, that you are adding and putting it here.
That is
If you
good
have
way to
for
understand, ma'am.
assignment
Keep it
marks
up.
also included, you can add that assignment marks which connected to which CO. You can add that mark also, convert that into 100. This is the university mark. Your Chhattisgarh state is conducting
Sir.
some examination and student is giving that mark. That mark also you are adding
Oh, yes,
One
sir.
and city2.
last call. You are bringing last call.
Average for that in that.
Then
Yes.
you are talking about
Yes,
Is
sir.
there any effect on the
direct
internal
attainment
Is it okay?
and
Yes,
indirect
sir. Okay, sir.
attainment.
Because
So
CO2
what-
only.
What is the logic
So
is,
course outcomes
once
is
you
same
do
only.
this
Same
input
only.
sheet
So
here
how much
properly,
students understand, we can club and we
automatically
can
the
evaluate.
formulas
That is
will
not nothing wrong with that.
calculate the
But COs we have to, CO1,
Okay.
2 should not combine. All same
I want
COs we
to
can
know the
combine.
logic of this 48.
Ah, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
because this is the actual
I
sheet.
want
Yes.
to know it perfectly.
If you fill this sheet and course
Then you
exit survey,
can
it will
see
come
the
automatically. No problem. But you have to understand the formulas.
formula is
Process we
applicable.
have to tell to NBA
So it
committee.
is
No,
previous
that's why
sheets,
all the process you should
D10,
understand.
Because in this sheet only we can
input sheet D10 divided by 200.
Ah, yes, yes.
So
Yes,
here
because it
D10
more
is
perfect
Yes.
than a calculation.
this
Yes,
mark.
yes.
Actual
And
mark,
actually, really it works.
D8
We are,
is
if you are
maximum
asking the
mark.
questions based on
0 by
CO wise,
30
we are evaluating. We can see
100.
which are all the students
So
is
here
good
you
at
see
studies, which
0
are all
by
students
30
are lagging.
100
We
will
can
be
see with this
0
sheet
1.
only.
There may be
plus
another
input sheet
while we are
and
checking the
J
copies.
10 by 2.
If we are not providing the
So
rubrics properly,
input sheet la J 10 by 2. This is input sheet.
every
Here is
time.
Yes.
J.
5 copies is checked
J
one time, 10
10
copies is
is
checked next time.
Yes, sir.
And after vacation, he will
95
check,
by
and there
data.
may be a difference.
Difference.
Some
Actually, scheme we have to
48,
provide. Sir. Actually,
47.5
NBA
will come.
strongly
They are
recommend
rounding
to
off
give
it
the
to
schemes
48.
for each and every
So this
question
is the
patient. So if
formula
10
based
people are evaluating and
Once
10
you-
times they are evaluating
once
different
you
different times
fill
also, it
this
should be same.
input
That's why
sheet,
scheme should be given.
all this manual filling is done by adding
Yes,
your
sir.
COs.
But due to
This
fear, I am
this
not
calculation that
So that
weightage
you,
for
if you are giving,
internal mark,
then students will
20%
understand what we are
weightage for
expecting. Yes,
external
you give sir.
examination. So
Don't
based
fear
on
about that.
that, we will
Say
calculate.
if you are
Is it okay now?
okay, okay. Then
This
we
sheet
actually in
this
our
is-
colleges and
this
all
sheet this is
internal
B6,
test also
48.
this scheme is
Already we
important.
got it.
Without internal
This
test,
48
without
into,
scheme they will not provide paper for
this
us.
48
First we have to prepare the key and then we have to.
So this is going to be implemented in CSVTU also.
I don't know, sir. They
okay, input sheet D10 by input sheet
Sample
D8
for the
into 100.
course exit survey and the program exit
Okay.
survey.
you want sample?
Yeah, if you have.
I will check, sir. In
Plus
my laptop.
6
I will
into
check.
0.8 plus when
okay,
you
sir,
go
I will
here
check.
input sheet there K10.
It is
So
continuous
K10 is
internal evaluation.
this
That is the internal test.
Initial university mark. So they are taking 80% of the calculation and 20% of this mark, and this is calculated. Even though the sheet is automatic, I want you to know the logic how the sheet
Somebody is
works.
working out in the paper, that is best way to understand. You take the Excel sheet and please work out in the paper, then you will understand much better instead of seeing the Excel sheet. Morning I did know like that, you check and write the all formulas in the paper and check out.
Now your complete course is over, your subject is over. What you do, come to the last student below that, you just take as per your HOD's instruction, the target, how many students has achieved what, that calculation, you can count and find it out what is the percentage of that achievement, which level you have achieved. So here 92 is there, means it is almost 3 it has achieved. If HOD is giving 60% as 1, 80% as 2, 90% and above as 3 for example. Now this is maximum attainment is done for this.
Professor, if you want to take 3 directly you can take, okay, and this is one way to have a decimal
No,
part.
with your percentage you take, then only you can. I will tell you, sir. I will tell you. Just add all. I will show you the formula. You see. Now I will tell you. If I above 45, those many students has come that reached that one. That is what it is getting. 2.79. 2.79. So if marks are low, this automatically it will be low. Yes, this is for student.
That is there in hundreds, sir. You can convert in the next table. Wait, sir. And direct sir, yes sir, this is 50 is there now sir. Here you can give the 50 means it is 1, okay. So we can use formula, we can have this 1 here, okay. So next is 69, 2, like that. CO1, CO2 we can convert.
That is simple.
We can take, that's what I am telling, there is no rigid rule for everything. If you want to convert 1, 2, 3, you can take average, take it, that's all.
Clear. Now direct assessment is over, then you are circulating a survey question paper to them, you are collecting that answer and you just check for CO1 how many questions they have given positive answer, CO2, CO3, CO4, CO. So you are taking indirect assessment also same way, how many students you are taking that average here. After taking that average, you calculate that average divided by 100 into the maximum 3. Now both direct assessment and indirect assessment are in your hand. After that you can go to final attainment just by using that formula 0.8 into direct assessment and 0.2 into indirect assessment. Each COs you will get. So by finishing this, by taking this average, our one subject it is over. One subject everything is over. If it is theory subject, one method, practical subject another method. Now then all of us we are submitting our CO attainment to department. Then they will calculate the PO attainment. So that is here. So each of this course wise, actually this is course. CO1 means not course outcome, that is course. So instead of mentioning here as CO1, CO2, CO3, CO4, all the subject names we can put that subject name. So once that subject name is put, already our higher officials will be mapping this. They will be mapping this and they will give for the program. So for 3, we are assigning a number 0.8. For 2, we are assigning 0.6. For 1, we will assign the number 0.4. That is equivalency, like just to do the calculation. C16 into that final attack. We don't have external evaluation at all. We follow reflective teaching methodology and continuous assessment methodology. Student will not have exams like that. Student will not have examination. Direct every course 54 assessments you will do. You will record that. Based on the completion of the assessment, we will award him marks. And each course compulsory has to do one project. And it is a very good question. CSVTU Bhilai.
Can I get Wi-Fi password, sir?
Your students are going to job market and they go and face interview. With my observation, only I am telling you.
This is you.
UTD on, yes. Password is 129 and then 0.
129.
No. I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7, 8, 9.
7, 8, 9.
0.
Okay.
Is unable to compete with the other state children
Thank you, sir.
like that, the language itself is having a problem. Even the student is technically strong also, he is unable to communicate with them properly. So for the first thing in discussion, what we have to do is the communication and the presentation skill of the engineering student has to be improved by individual teachers' interest in that. It will never ever will happen. So what university has to introduce is every semester, each subject, so one internal component should be presentation and evaluation should be there. So default, all the students, 60 students of the class, one time he will climb up the stage, he will put his slide, he will talk, he will sit and evaluate that. So that is for one course, one subject. 6 subjects if we do, that 5 subjects if we do, 5 times he is getting up on the stage. So you people can guide them to improve their communication and other things like that. And next important thing is service-based competition. To come, do this service regularly, he will pay you like that. So he continuously do that service. One point of time, like AI replace that service, he is laid off. So our program has to be focused only for long-term sustainment kind of AI development. So for that, your curriculum, they should tell that if the student is doing a project like that, compulsory, minimum 3 latest AI tools has to be incorporated in the school. So now ChatGPT is giving complete code. Just copy and paste it in code. Like that, it runs and it gives the project. So this is reducing the students' critical thinking capacity. It is increasing the prompting capacity. Okay, even companies are also, they are not prohibiting the employees to take help of ChatGPT. They continue like that. So what happens is pattern of migration when you see, if you mold your student with the curriculum, only for service-based jobs, programmer, web developer like that, we cannot able to sustain. You have to completely reframe your syllabus for AI developing, quantum computing like that. These things and all, if you take decision after 3 years, 4 years, at the time the quantum computing and all this AI development also will be outdated like that. So what I
Program exit survey, one folder is there. You copy, course exit survey I will give you.
every semester wise they have to update the syllabus. Market is also getting
How Excel sheet also there, how we are calculating, and sample questions also there.
well in advance
Yes, sir.
to take up that advanced level courses, some application or something like that.
attainment sheet. Like suppose this is the here is multiplied by D63. Here is this one.
This one.
Other even in the FDRS it's the same D63. Should change
C6, not 63, next cell.
yes. It should be next.
Find that our quality and our way of things are bad. So we have to feel bad about that situation. You people should stop the migration of the student who is going to other department for higher education, and they should prefer our institution. So these virtual labs are there, no need of investment. Only thing is faculty has to be improved from present existing level to another level. So that is job-based curriculum we have to develop, and that kind of assessment tools also we add. That is the biggest gap. Higher officials like Vice Chancellor, they repeatedly give a constant answer that policies are there. It is not like your private university, we cannot take all the, and it is having a protocol, a set of procedure, all the generic answers like that. It's okay, you can give all those generic answers, you all are happy and comfortable, but what about our next generation? So they lack, they settle for less, and lot of misguidance happens to the children. That is what it is not coming with competition, it is not competing with well-developed state. So everything changes should happen inside the classroom. A teacher and a student, that 50 minutes or 1 hour, that only will change the entire. So we have to give teacher first the training for teaching them latest, and that same curriculum has to be incorporated with.
Sir, give the pen drive.
So you people have to represent this right letter, intimate to them. You people